Hi friends, this is Joanne from Pre-Employment Transition Services, and today I was getting ready to do my laundry and I thought what a great job for you to do while you're at home as a housekeeping job. Today we will learn the new skill of sorting laundry, which is usually the first step in completing your laundry. You sort your clothes, your towels and your washcloths, everything into whites and darks. So the skill can be used, the sorting of the laundry can be used in many different areas in the job world besides at your home. You can do it in hotels, hospitals, daycares, schools, even some restaurants that use cloth napkins or tablecloths, and of course they use towels and washcloths to clean with, so that's another place that you could do laundry. The materials you will need for this job are at least two different laundry baskets, one white one and one color one. It makes it easier if you have two different colors where you can put your whites, and let's move where you can see, where you can put your whites in the white one and your colors in the color basket. You will also need a pile of clothes. Today we're going to start out with using just some towels and washcloths. So I'll get the pile of those, have a pile of towels and washcloths, and we will begin sorting. So your first job is to look at each of these towels or washcloths and see if it goes in the white basket or the color basket. So you look at this towel. Does it match the white? No, it looks like it's a color. So we put in the color basket. We have this one. Does it match the white? It does. It is white. We put in the white basket. Another one, a white one. Put it in the white. Here is a color one. See, it's not the same color as the white. It is more in the colors. You have another color one. We put in the color basket. Another color. We have a towel. Does it look like it's the same color as that? Yes, it does. So it goes in the white basket. Have another white towel. Put in the white basket. Where do you think this one goes? It's a green in the colors. A white one. It's a color. The color basket. Here's another color and another color. So we can just keep going. If we want to, we can do those. We could add a few things to it if we would like. If you want to make it a little more challenging, you could add t-shirts and socks. I have a pile of those right here, different ones. This is a sock that is not white, so we'll put it in the color basket. Here's a t-shirt. What color is that? Looks like it matches the white one. Put it in the white one. We have another t-shirt. Does it look white? Well, it actually kind of matches the basket. It's green. We have another one. It looks like it goes in the colors. Then I have some different socks. White goes in the white basket. Another white one in the white basket. Looks like the whole rest of these look like they're white. So we just put them in the white basket. That's my pile of clothes. They are sorted now. Now, if you wanted to make this a little harder, if you had some clothes around your house, besides just towels and washcloths, you could add another laundry basket, a third basket. That could be for things that are washed in cold or called delicates. I have a couple things here to show you, like I have a blouse. If you had a nice shirt, you could put that in this basket, and some slacks. Put in this basket. These are things that would be washed in cold. But to start out with, you may want to just start with some towels and washcloths and put them in the two separate baskets right there. So after you finish sorting, and we have this, make sure that you check your work. One thing that you can do is you can have someone help you to see if it looks okay, but also you can look in the white basket and see if you see anything that's in there that's a color. So you looked in here and you went, no, that's not right, that goes in here. Or maybe you would see something in the color basket and you go, there's a white one in there, and you'll go through and you'll switch it over. And also you can check your work at the time that you are putting the things in your washing machine to see if you have them in the right order. But that will be a next step that we will be doing. Now, to wrap up, let's talk about some of the places that you could practice sorting your laundry. You can practice at home, of course, helping your parents with their laundry and your siblings, or just your own laundry, and ask for help from your parents to get started, or see if that's something that they would let you practice doing there. Another place you can do this is at your school. Your school always has towels and washcloths, bibs even, and now even masks probably when you go back to school that will need to be laundered, and you could help sort them. This is something that you could practice ongoing. Also, you can ask your pre-employment specialist like me to help set up a job shadow for you in a place like a hotel or a restaurant or daycare or other places. I'm thinking like a nursing home. You could see if there are places that you could do job shadows and you can practice this skill there. I hope you had a good time today and you learned something, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.